Hello, I'm here again. My name is Denise, and I want to sing to you another one of my favorite songs. It's called Harlem Blues, which I sung this song at Apollo back in 1991 when I won third place. I hope you enjoy. You can never tell what's in a man's mind, and if he's from Harlem, there's no use of even trying. Just like the tide, his mind comes and goes. Like March weather when you change. Nobody knows, nobody knows the man I love. Well, he just turns out he's a Harlem Brown. Oftentimes I wish that I were in his town, 6 feet underground. He idolized me as no other could, no, no. Then he surprised me, leaving me a note saying he is gone for good. And since my sweet left me hollow, well, it ain't the same old place. Throw 1,000 daddies, smile right in my face. I think I'll smooth some honey hooch and go out for all, just to drive a little me no Harlem Blues.